this is a non-surgical facelift tool, and it's called Ultherapy. It is a super important tool for women who are over the age of 50. And a great thing about it is that the impact of this tightening lasts for a while. Now, this is a routine treatment. We do it all the time. We do it not all the time, but like every year, once or twice a year. Depending on what age you are, how much laxity you're suffering from, because if you're somebody who has gained weight, lost weight, gained weight, lost weight, you might need a few more treatments. However, if you're not somebody who has a weight issue and you just have a sagging issue, which happens to everyone because skin sags, just like your kidneys fail and your brain fails and your heart fails, similarly your skin fails. However, whenever your skin fails, it falls, and when it falls, it also drags your mood down with it. So I really recommend a non-surgical tool for people, because this is something that is going to preserve the fabric, also known as your skin, which is also one of the most expensive fabrics that you will ever possess.